128 days ago, another war started. Yes, between Hamas and Israel. And it's a pity that Israel has entered the town in Gaza, I believe Rafah, yes. And well, US has warned Israel, do not enter Rafah, because otherwise there will be a lot of casualties. Civilians will be killed, and I've heard a lot of civilians are killed by the Israel army. Anyway, let's continue with the puzzles. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, February the 12th, 2024. Not so good news, we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars, Sudoku and the binary. And in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Yeah, in the weekend edition we have 5 extra puzzles. 3 puzzles are left in the additional, and 2 puzzles are left in the puzzle page. Alright, those puzzles I will do in the evening, but now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. The first one I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 7984. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For puzzle with 26 printed digits should be at 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only place level 4 should be there. Then 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places level 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about 9? 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only 3 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 in the first column, no 5 there. So the only place level 5 should be there. Alright. Okay, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digital 1, number 5. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about 7? I'm thinking 8. Yeah, I'm thinking need a 6 here. And I need no 1 here, no 1. Need a 1 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes in this column. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 3 place levels. 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. So the only place level is 7 should be there. Okay, 8 to 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7, 8 in this box. 7, 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left. Should be the number 2. Alright, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, all right. And now, let me see. Need a 6 there. Need a 1, need a 4. Let me see. 7. Need a 7 here. Come on. 1 through 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8. 8, 8. 1, 6, 8. 6. 6, 9, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3. Well. Let me mark some boxes. It's taking too long. Oh, hey, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 4? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in the third row, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Here we have 7 and 8. That means that we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1 and 2, 3. the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be 9. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this column, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes at there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this middle row. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 and 8. We have 8 now in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So in the row with 3, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 3 stars, nope. 2 stars, nope. 1 star, no. I'm faster than 14 minutes, so should be a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.